Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13R and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. After that, select one-handed mode and click on the grey sweater next to it to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. In order to go back, click on gray area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, click on the same, now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!